Hello guys, welcome to Technical Acharya channel. Today our topic is BMS Entrance Exam MCQ Part 2. In this lecture we will discuss about 50 most important or frequently asked MCQ. So let's move forward. Now let's see question number 1. That is, if a person has increased appetite, this may be due to A. Increased pith, B. Decreased bath, C. Normal cough, D. All. Which one is the right answer? Yes, you are right. Increased pith, A number is the right answer. Okay, question number 2. Insomnia, that is anindra, is due to excess A. Vat, B. Cough, C. Pith, D. All. Which one is the right answer? Yes, A number. Vat is the right answer. Okay, question number 3. Role of enzyme is done by A. Pranvayu, B. Pachak Pitta, C. Salesma cough, D. All. Which one is the right answer? Pachak Pith. B number is the right answer. Okay, question number 4. Immunofunction is related to A. Cough, B. Pith, C. Vat, D. Both A and B. Which one is the right answer? A. Cough is the right answer. It is associated with immunofunction. Okay. Now question number 5. Synonyms, that is paryaya of ayu is A. Nitya, B. Dhari, C. Jivitam, D. All. Which one is the right answer? Yes, D number. Nitya, Dhari, Jivitam, all are the synonyms of Ayu. Okay, question number 6. Which of the following is not considered as Ashtang Ayurved? A. Rasayan Tantra, B. Mahabhut Vigyan, C. Shalya Tantra, D. Bhut Vidya. Which one is the right answer? B number. Mahabhut Vigyan is not considered as Ashtang Ayurved. Question number 7. Kaya Chikitsa deals A. Internal medicine, B. Pediatrics, C. Surgery, D. Pharmacology. Which one is the right answer? A number. Kaya Chikitsa deals with internal medicine. Question number 8. Aushadh Vigyan, that is pharmacology and pharmaceutics, is mainly described in A. Ashtang Sangra, B. Madhav Nidan, C. Sarangdhar Samhita, D. Bhavarkas Nigantu. Which one is the right answer? C number. Sarangdhar Samhita is the right answer. Question number 9. The time of Charak Samhita is A. 500 BC, B. 1000 BC, C. 1500 BC, D. 1800 BC. Which one is the best answer? Yes, 1500 BC is the time of Charak Samhita. C number. Question number 10. Bhagavad is the writer of A. Ashtang Sangra, B. Ashtang Hirday, C. Ashtang Tantra, D. Both A and B. Which one is the right answer? D number. Okay, Bhagavad is the writer of both Ashtang Sangra and Ashtang Hirday. Now, question number 11. Sushrut Samhita contains ... asthana and ... chapters. Option A. 8 asthan, 120 and 66 chapters. Option B. 7 asthan, 120 and 66 chapters. Option C. 6 asthana, 120 and 66 chapters. And option D. 9 asthana, 120 and 66 chapters. Which one is the right answer? C number. 6 asthana and 120 plus 66 chapters. It is C number is the right answer. Okay, question number 12. Kashyap Samhita is written by A. Bhagavad, B. Vel, C. Jivak, D. Agnivesh. Which one is the right answer? Jivak. Okay, Kashyap Samhita is written by Jivak. C number is the right answer. Question number 13. A manuscript of ... Samhita found in Nepal. A. Charak Samhita, B. Sushrut Samhita, C. Kashyap Samhita, D. Vel Samhita. Which one is the right answer? C number. Kashyap Samhita. A manuscript of Kashyap Samhita found in Nepal. Question number 14. The holistic and oldest medical system of the world is A. Allopathy, B. Homeopathy, C. Naturopathy, D. Ayurveda. Which one is the right answer? It is absolutely D number. Ayurveda is the oldest medical system of the world. Question number 15. Mental disease comes under A. Agat Tantra, B. Bajikaran, C. Bhut Vidya, D. Rasayan Tantra. Which one is the right answer? Bhut Vidya. Okay. Mental disease comes under Bhut Vidya. Now question number 16. Cough mainly contains A. जल प्लस आकाश, B. पृथ्वी प्लस अग्नि, C. जल प्लस पृथ्वी, D. जल प्लस अग्नि. Which one is the right answer? Cough mainly contains जल प्लस पृथ्वी. C number is the right answer. Now question number 17. Which is the main agni present in our body? A. धातु अग्नि, B. जठराग्नि, C. भूतग्नि, D. none. Okay, which is the main agni of our body? That is जठराग्नि. At question number 18. Essence of all dhatu. Okay, essence of all 7 dhatu is called A. Shukra, B. Val, C. Oj, D. Ras. Which one is the right answer? C number. The essence of all dhatu is Oj. Question number 19. Location of pran vayu is A. Sir, B. Udar, that is abdomen, C. Spleen, D. Yakrit. Okay, which one is the right answer? A number. The location of pran vayu is Sir, head. Okay, question number 20. Shabda, that is sound, is the characteristics of ... महाभूत. A. जल, B. पृथ्वी महाभूत, C. आकाश महाभूत, D. तेज महाभूत. Which one is the right answer? C number, आकाश. Question number 21. Total number of Shrutas according to Sushrut are A. 12, B. 13, C. 11 pair, D. 13 pair. Which one is the right answer? C number. Okay, the total number of Shrutas in our body are 11 pair according to Sushrut, but according to Charak there are 13 only. Question number 22. Which vayu is present all over the body? Okay, A. Apan vayu, B. Pran vayu, C. Saman vayu, D. Byan vayu. Which one is the right answer? Yes, you are right, absolutely. D number, Byan vayu is the right answer. Now question number 23. Dhatu are formed in the body by A. Vat, B. Agni or Pit, C. Oj, D. none. Which one is the right answer? Yes, B number, Agni or Pitta is the right answer. Okay, now question number 24. Snayu is the updhatu of A. Rakta dhatu, B. Mamsa dhatu, C. Meda dhatu, D. Asti dhatu. Which one is the right answer? Yes, C number, Meda is the right answer. Snayu is the updhatu of Meda dhatu. Question number 25. Cough located in joints is A. Shalesha cough, B. Tarpa cough, C. Bodha cough, D. Kaleda cough. Which one is the right answer? Yes, you are right. A number, Shalesha cough is the right answer. Okay, question number 26. Yastumadhi is of family A. Leguminous, A. Acanthaceae, C. Solanaceae, D. Liliaceae. Which one is the right answer? A number, Leguminaceae. Yastumadhi is of family Leguminous. 27 number question. Parpati chikitsa is used in A. Diarrhea, B. Dysentery, C. Grahani rog, D. Piles. Which one is the right answer? C number, Parpati chikitsa is used in Grahani rog or duodenal disease. Question number 28. The number of Fakka rog are A. 6, B. 4, C. 5, D. 3. Which one is the right answer? Yes, you are right. D number. There are 3 types of Fakka rog. Now question number 28. Which dravya is most useful in diabetes? A. Adua, B. Lasun, C. Besar, D. Methi. Which one is the right answer? Yes, you are right. Methi is used in diabetes. D number is the right answer. Now question number 29. How many types of Mudgarva are there? A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, D. 7. Which one is the right answer? Yes, you are right. 4 number is the 4. That means A number is the right answer. There are 4 types of Mudgarva, that are Keel, Pratikhur, Bijak and Parigha. Okay, now question number 30. What is the Latin name of Aragvad or Rasbix? A. Cassia fistula, B. Ferula narthex, C. Papaver somniferum, D. Egle marmilos. Which one is the right answer? Yes, A number is the right answer. Cassia fistula is the Latin name of Aragvad. Question number 31. Panch Mahabhut is made up of A. Avyakta, B. Mahan, C. Ahankar, D. Panchtan Matra. Which one is the best answer? D number. Panch Mahabhut is made from Panchtan Matra. Question number 32. How many types of Drishtigat Rog are there? A. 12, B. 9, C. 21, D. 11. Which one is the right answer? Yes, there are altogether 12 Drishtigat Rog. Okay. Question number 33. The opposite gun of Guru is A. Mridu, B. Suksham, C. Laghu, D. Manta. Which one is the right answer? C number. The opposite gun of Guru is Laghu. Guru means heavy and Laghu means light. Okay. Now question number 34. The Vipak of Lavana Ras is A. Madhur, B. Amla, C. Katu, D. Nan. Which one is the right answer? A number. Madhur is the Vipak of Lavana Ras. Question number 35. Cup is vitiated in which season? A. Hemanta, B. Sarad, C. Varsha, D. Vasant. Which one is the right answer? Yes, you are right. D number. Vasanta. Cup is vitiated in Vasanta Ritu. Question number 36. Amla subsides of those A. Vat, B. Pit, C. Cough, D. Tridos. Which one is the right answer? D number. Amla subside Tridosas. Okay. Question number 37. Which yantra has mukh? A. Tal yantra, B. Salaka yantra, C. Swastik yantra, D. Nadika yantra. Which one is the right answer? C number. Swastik yantra has mukh. Okay. Question number 38. If Vat is decreased from its normal state, then A. Alpanidra, B. Nindranas, C. Atinindra, D. Nindra ko susukta. Which one is the right answer? Nindranas. B number is the right answer. Question number 39. Ayurveda means A. Science of life, B. Life expectancy, C. Aspect of life, D. Known. Which one is the right answer? A number. Ayurveda means science of life. Okay. Ayu plus Veda, that is science of life. Now question number 40. Puran karma is done by A. Ras dhatu, B. Mamsa dhatu, C. Med dhatu, D. Maja dhatu. Which one is the right answer? Yes, you are right. C number. Puran karma is done by Med dhatu. Question number 41. Sweat or Swed is the mal of A. Med dhatu, B. Asti dhatu, C. Mamsa dhatu, D. Shukra dhatu. Which one is the right answer? A number. Sweat is the mal of Med dhatu. Question number 42. Withinia somnifera is the scientific name of A. Ginger, B. Amla, C. Ashwagandha, D. Sarpagandha. Which one is the right answer? C number. Withinia somnifera is the scientific name of Ashwagandha. Question number 43. Vipak of Kasairas is A. Madhur, B. Amla or acidic, C. Katu, D. None. Which one is the right answer? C number. The Vipak of Kasairas is Katu. Question number 44. Who is founder of Rasastra? A. Nagarjun, B. Devdas, C. Mahaprakash, D. None. Which one is the right answer? A number. The founder of Rasastra is Nagarjun. Question number 45. The prepaid quartz can be used up to A. 10 hours, B. 12 hours, C. 24 hours, D. 48 hours. Which one is the right answer? B number. The prepaid quartz can be used up to 12 hours. Now question number 46. A kind of poisonous plant that is used in Ayurveda is A. Amla, B. Harro, B. Barro, D. Vatsanav. Which one is the right answer? D number. Okay. Vatsanav is the poisonous plant that is used in Ayurveda. Question number 47. The number of Shastra or sharp instrument are A. 10, B. 20, C. 101, D. 40. Which one is the right answer? B number. There are altogether 20 Shastra or Yantra 101. Okay. Question number 48. Painful menstruation is known as A. Dyspepsia, B. Menorrhea, C. Dysmenorrhea, D. menorrhagia. Which one is the right answer? C number. The painful menstruation is known as dysmenorrhea. Question number 49. Practice of yoga is which type of treatment? A. Curative, B. Preventive, C. General, D. Primary. Which one is the right answer? B number. The practice of yoga is preventive type of treatment. Question number 50. चिकित्सा उपक्रम means संशोधन, B. समन, D. पंचकर्मा, D. Both A and B. Which one is the right answer? D number. Okay. चिकित्सा उपक्रम means both संशोधन and समन. Finally, thank you and best of luck all of you. If you liked my video, please like, comment and share my video, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.